Hello everyone, I'm Yakio, the head of Subscan. I'm excited to be here today to share with you about Subscan and our new direction, Subscan Open Platform. Well, we'll explore how these tools make blockchain data more accessible and provide unique opportunities for different types of users. So let's start it. Well, to start, what exactly is Subscan? Subscan is a blockchain explorer that offers a user with the features just like the check blocks, energy accounts, and the tracked events, transactions, transfers. Well, that's not all. Subscan also helps with the data analysis and the historical queries. Well, for the advanced users, we offer search and filtering tools for access process blockchain data. These are the features that our user rely on the most. Well, in short, Subscan is your go-to place for exploring the data behind the multiple networks. And let's talk about the networks we support. At the moment, Subscan already supports 97 networks. It's a lot. And we are working to add more networks and provide deeper data for the networks we already support. And for 25 of these networks, we offered EVM-related features, just like the EVM transactions, the smart contracts, and more. Plus, we already integrated the Bridge Hub parachain on Polkadot and the Kusama ecosystem, and displaying the cross-chain data between the Ethereum and the substrate chains. Well, our main goal is become the Web3 portal to substrate EVM and more networks, and we aim to offer a platform that makes exploring multiple networks easy. By doing this, Subscan bring this ecosystem together and create a seamless experience for our users. Well, how are we doing so far? I think the numbers speak for themselves. Well, since June 2022, our user base has grown to 2.66 million and an increase of almost 85% this year. Our page view have reached 44.11 million with a growth rate of over 36% this year. And this shows that more and more people are using Subscan for blockchain data. Well, as you can see, Subscan has grown a lot, but we are not much more than just a blockchain explorer. We expanded a range of data servers that make access and filtering blockchain data more easier. And to bring it all together, we launched a Subscan Open Platform. And it's a hub for advanced tools and flexibility. Well, our key features include the APIs, the custom data dashboards, the identity system, and watch lists and notifications. Well, these features are designed for the developers, the project teams, the managers, and users who want to greater control over their data. Well, next is our The Subscan API is one of our core service. It's fast, secure, and scalable. Whether you are a large enterprise needing high rate limit or just a smaller developer that looking for free API access, we have got you covered. And you can use Subscan API to easily access data on accounts, transactions, events, and more through a full set of API options with integration across multiple networks. Well, I'd like to share a data is that so far Subscan already issued more than 4,700 free API keys, and with the request is too much to count. Next is the custom data dashboards. Well, these dashboards let you visualize the blockchain data however you like. Use easy to use UI widgets. And the best part, you don't need to be a developer. Everyone can use it to build their own dashboards by just a little practice. Well, you can also share them with others, make it a fantastic tool for the teamwork and the data analysis. And it gets even better. You can submit your own custom dashboards to be featured on Subscan Explorer, where anyone can access it directly. Of course, this goes through a review process between the chain team and Subscan team to ensure everything is meet the right standard. Well, here is the progress about how to build and share a widget, share a dashboard. The first is select a widget you want and arrange the layout, edit the text. Then you can add a data source. We support a Lotto Candle data source, just like the API, the GraphQL, and you can use the Subscan API here directly. Then you can preview your dashboard, and if everything is good to you, you can choose to share it to others via the link, and you can also submit it to Subscan. Well, after the project review, the chain review, and the Subscan review, you can publish it on Subscan Explorer. It means it will be a part of Subscan Explorer, and everyone can access it directly. Next is our Subscan identity system. Well, it lets you create and manage your identity and share it across almost 100 networks without any on-chain fees. You can also conveniently link it to your social media account. And in the future, we aim to make it possible to register identity on multiple networks by just one click. And on-chain. Of course, this will take time and the support from the communities of those networks. It's a big plan, and if achieved, it will make blockchain identity management simpler and more efficient. For those who want to keep track of the specific accounts or the transactions, our watch list and notifications will be very useful. You can use it to monitor on-chain data such as the accounts, its transactions, and transfers. You can also set up the real-time alerts with Telegram bot for the important updates. And you can view your activities across all support networks in one place. And tag and add notes to account of interest of for the easy tracking. So these are the key features we offer right now through the Subscan open platform. But we are not stopping here. Let's take a look at what happened, what will happen, what will come next for Subscan and Subscan open platform. Well, the first is we are developing a self-service Explorer platform that let users launch their own Explorer in minutes with just a few steps, just like providing the RPC endpoint or some essential network information. Anyone can set up a basic Explorer for the networks and custom it using our widgets. This brings both speed and flexibility to launch a new blockchain. Well, finally, we want to give back to our contributors and our users. That's why we're introducing the Subscan points. You can get the Subscan points by using and completing the certain task in Subscan Explorer and the open platform. And the points can be exchanged to some special rewards, just like the advanced API key, the discounts on new network integrations, and more. While the full reward program and exciting activities will coming soon, so stay tuned. Thank you for your time today. Please contact us through our website, the social media, and the email. Well, and if you have any questions, please contact us.